Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio 2.0 Soundbar Subwoofer not working, wireless pairing and sync fix. Fix 1 force a manual repair. You have to turn on both the soundbar and soundwoofer. Locate the pair button on the back of the soundwoofer. You just have to press and hold the pair button for 5 seconds until the light flashes rapidly. You have to press and hold the power button on the soundbar for 5 seconds. Then you have to observe the light on the front of the soundbar flashing to confirm they are linked. Fix 2. Power cycle or soft reset. For that, you have to turn off both the soundbar and soundwoofer. Then you have to unplug the power port from the outlet for both devices. Then you have to press and hold the power button on the soundbar for about 10 to 30 seconds to drain any residual power. You have to wait around 30 seconds before plugging both the device back in. Then turn on both the device to check if the bases work. Fix 3. Factory reset or hard reset. Ensure the soundbar is powered on. Press and hold the volume down and Bluetooth button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the front LED light. They will flash 3 times to confirm the reset. Resetting, erase all the custom settings and Bluetooth pairing. Reconfigure audio settings and raising the soundwoofer after the reset. Fix 4. Adjust soundwoofer levels. You have to grab your window remote and press the setup or EQ button. Use the arrow key to navigate to soundwoofer level or bass on the display. Increase the level to +1 or higher. Test to see if you start feeling the bass. Thanks for watching.